Today, I have a very special guest.
Hello.
This is Rosanna Pansino, aka one of the nicest people on YouTube and in the world.
Kandee, you are so sweet.
You are so sweet. And she makes the sweetest things on YouTube as well.
Yeah, we just finished playing a game. I invited Kandee over and she was such a good sport. I made her try all these different flavors of lollipops.
And one of my greatest fears in life came true in the video.
Yes.
I cannot even believe that happened.
But I did not know. So
I think I'm scarred from lollipops.
I'm so sorry.
I'll put a link down below. Go subscribe to her, follow her everywhere. It will make your life literally a sweeter place if you follow her everywhere. So today, who do you get told that you look like?
Vanellope Von Schweetz.
So today, you will be Vanellope
Von
Von Schweetz.
From the movie Wreck-It Ralph. She's like a feisty little spunky,
sprightly, cute little candy-haired girl.
Yeah, and she's kind of the underdog, so I relate to that.
Because she's just like a glitch, like she's like a little, like a little problem or a little thing, but she's like the most valuable part. She ends up being the most, like special part.
Yeah, she's like, where do I fit in?
And you're like, right here with us.
Right here.
Right here. She's literally gonna be right here. Okay, so we are gonna basically just make you look like a cute Vanellope version of yourself. We're not gonna do like a cartoon actually making you look like the cartoon one, because it could come out more scary looking. I've noticed when I do the cartoon transformation. So first step, I have to make you take off your makeup on the internet.
Let's do it.
Do you ever do videos without your makeup on?
I don't think I have.
What?
This will be a first. It's gonna be naked face for the first time. I'm getting naked for the first time.
If we put that in our title, we may get a lot more views we didn't plan on. I don't know.
What is this?
Tarte likes to make all their smells.
Oh, this smells so good.
It's for removing waterproof mascara if you hadn't used that
really?
Ooh, it does smell like floral.
Delicious.
Do you have eyelash extensions or just...
Oh, these are just glued. I can pop them off.
Oh.
Let me just pull them.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Did that hurt you?
Yeah, a little bit.
So we're just gonna put a base of foundation. So we're just gonna put a light color all over, similar to hers.
Because her and I both have pale skin.
Which is perfect.
And her hair is jet black.
And her eyebrows.
Kandee, I don't know if I've ever told you this.
What?
But my natural hair color
is black?
Is black.
No way. This is so weird. Makeup isn't the only trickery. My hair is not actually blue either.
No way. I think that would be so cool if people were born with rainbow colored hair.
I know. You have such good skin. It's crazy.
I drink a lot of water.
That helps.
I love water.
You do?
Does that really help your skin, drinking water?
It hydrates all of your cells so they don't get into raisins, and then your skin looks shrivelly, and it helps flush all the junk out. Okay, so we're gonna do like a little bit of highlighting. So we're just gonna brighten up underneath the eyes.
Yes,
Which this is typical. This is like what you do in any makeup looks. This is no just for Vanellope looks.
Natural glam?
Yes. Okay, now we're just gonna add like a little bit of Vanellope contour. Because she's not like those old school cartoons that are just one color.
No.
She's got some computer generated graphic shading on her face. We're gonna mix just a couple shades darker than your actual skin tone. And she's got a little shady on the sides of her face.
On the cheeks?
On the cheekbones right here. She's even got some around the chin area.
Oh.
Like so. She's really... Who knew she was so contoured? Your skin is really, really good.
Is it behaving well?
Yes. It listened. If you had to talk with it before I got here, it is like, yes.
I was like, get your stuff together. Kandee's going to be here. And she's a makeup guru. Get your stuff together.
This is my favorite of all time.
Really?
This is the best translucent powder in the world.
Okay.
Le Mercier translucent powder.
Le Mercier.
Well, it's really just Laura Mercier, but I'm trying to sound French and fancy.
I like it. French and fancy.
French and fancy. We could start a bonus YouTube channel. We'll just call it French and fancy. And we'll just say things in weird French accents.
And
Bonjour.
we can bring my French bulldog.
It's getting more French by the second. Okay, so we're just gonna do a basic, a nude eye, because she doesn't really have anything on her eyelids. So
It's a pretty youthful look.
yeah, it's pretty open. She's got like a bright, we'll do like a little eyeliner, and then we'll do some really fun lashes. And these brows, these are gonna be the business. Yes. Okay, so I think we're good. Eyeshadow is done. Fastest eye makeup ever. Then we're just gonna do our eyeliner. So she's got just like a little hint of it, but then it's basically gonna be a base for our lashes. This is the only time when I do videos where I get so quiet. The lip liner and the eyeliner. I'm like,
can't
this is
move.
precision.
Can't move.
This is like brain surgery of the face.
Yeah, you can't do
If
it.
brain surgery, if the makeup was as important as brain surgery, this would be it. We might do a little wing for you.
Just a little.
Just a smidgy, a baby wing. Perfect. We're just gonna give you a baby wing for now.
A baby wing.
Now
Okay,
go this
okay, I'll
way.
turn
This
this
is the
way.
side that gets
This is
weirder.
tricky. This is tricky.
Yeah.
Okay, how
Okay,
close do I get? Or am I like
I know.
in
It
your
feels
face?
like you're having your first kiss. Like, whoa, do I do here? What do I do?
Is this close enough?
Perfect.
Okay, I'm
just
ready.
close for me. It's weirdest for me because my hand's going in a different direction. We're just gonna draw him in here.
We got
And this is a very brand new liner. And sometimes when you first use them, like the color doesn't come out as dark as it's supposed to. Okay, now let me see. Open. Perfect. Now they're like twins. And whenever you do your wing eyeliner, just like the eyebrows, they are sisters and not twins. So don't go crazy if one is. Once you put mascara on, nobody will tell, even if you make a mistake.
I've heard that eyebrows are sisters.
Not one person's eyebrow are the same. Okay, now I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow.
Okay.
And then close for me. And I'm just going to push the eyeshadow onto the eyeliner. And then I just smudge it right slightly above. So if you have any wiggles or wobbles, this will like blur them and smooth them out. And it also makes the eyeliner not shiny, because a lot of liquid eyeliners are really shiny, and I don't like shiny. Looks like patent leather eyelids. It looks a little weird. So I like to make them all matte. So you just push them right on, and it makes it last longer. So you get like 3 bonuses in one, and you just push it down. You push it like down into the lashes, so it makes your lashes really black too.
I can.
Yeah, just like pressing in there. So in her lower line, it just looks like brown, like a little tinted brown. We're just gonna take this taupe eyeliner, kind of taupey gray like her eyes. So you're gonna look up for me, and then I'm gonna pull this away, and then we're just gonna line the water line, that inner little, I know this feels super weird, huh?
Oh yeah, this one feels the
that feels
weirdest.
refreshing.
It doesn't feel bad. It just feels weird.
odd. Yeah, because this part of her eye is not meant to have makeup actually. But I
love it.
We're breaking so many body rules. Then I'm gonna take an angled brush and a brown eyeshadow, and then look up for me. And again, I'm gonna pull the eyelid away, and I'm just gonna push this brown into like the lash line, because she doesn't have lower eyelashes, but we're just gonna give that definition down below. So we just pull them away, and we just press it in there. Okay, now we're gonna do the lashes last. We're gonna jump to the eyebrows. So we have got some ebony. Look, it's never before been used.
Woo!
She has very similar eyebrow shape. You have really good eyebrows.
Thank you.
So we're just gonna fill this in. And it's like, it's not black. It's like the darkest dark brown. So it won't look like traumatizing to yourself. Like, oh. Okay, now this is more of a cartoon brow shape. But
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, that's high school. Yep.
Is it?
Yep. That's high school.
Were they that dark?
Yeah, they were black.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
And my sister always had light brown hair.
No way.
And I had jet black hair.
Okay, I'm gonna have you curl your lashes. Do you know how to curl your lashes?
Okay, you showed me.
Oh, I'll do it for you. Don't you worry.
You showed me.
Okay, so you're gonna look straight ahead.
Okay.
And you did it!
It doesn't hurt. It's just very weird.
Well, to see a device coming near your eye, it's very alarming. But it makes a huge difference. Okay, I will let you put your own mascara.
Okay.
Because
I can do
I know
this.
you can do that.
It's the one thing I can do.
You're a pro.
If you give me mascara and lip gloss, got it. That's my makeup tutorial, everybody. Here's mascara. Don't get it in your eye. If you can, help it. And if you can't.
Video over. Thanks for subscribing.
I like a blink, blink,
Yeah.
blink, blink.
Okay, now she has got a lot of rosy blush on.
This is so weird. Every time I
The eyebrows.
It's high school.
Okay, so we're gonna use this you're gonna look even more angelic and like a cherub baby with this blush on. So she's just got like a lot of blush on. I'm gonna
In the
even
movie,
put it
she's
on
just-
with a sponge because I think we'll get a better application. Yep. Yes, that is very glowy.
Apple cheeks.
And then we're just gonna put like a little flush of it on your nosy because
She's got a really red nose, too.
she does. And we're not gonna do just the tip of it because it'll look a little Rudolphy. You have such a cute nose.
Aw,
I feel like you
you
have noses that would be in like doctor's offices where people want their noses to look like yours. Like, look at this perfect, cute nose. I'm gonna try putting this lash on even though I don't know if we're gonna use him. Ooh, he's so fluffy. Oh, he is kind of fun actually.
Yeah?
Okay, open. Enchanting! I love it!
Oh my gosh, I love it. These eyelashes are the hardest thing for me to do.
Well, it depends on the eyelash brand too, because sometimes the cheaper ones are the hardest to get on. Okay, open. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these lashes are so fun.
Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
They're like you look like a deer.
I feel like a Snapchat filter deal.
You look like a Snapchat filter.
This is really starting to look like Vanellope.
Okay, all that's left is to do your lips and then the wig of Kandee epic proportions. So I'm gonna mix up a custom lip color. Okay, I'm gonna line your lips first, then we're gonna put this custom color.
Okay.
I'm not gonna line the shape that she has because she has an interesting shaped lip. And
She has really thin lips.
yeah, and you have really nice lips. So I'm not gonna try to make your lips look like they're not there because you have great ones. Look at this.
Sorry.
Oh my, you didn't
My
do
lips,
it.
my lips are too buff.
They
and
just so strong.
They flex. They were like,
They're like The Rock.
ooh. And then
I don't like these twist up ones because they get all crumbly. And then if you just use a pencil, you can sharpen it to a point. And just like when you're drawing, you want a really fine point. Okay. We just need a base outline. Now we're gonna mix our custom Vanellope color. Oh, this is perfect.
peachy.
This is like the perfect peachy pink. Okay, your lip is done. You look so adorable. Now
peachy.
it is time to go get your wig.
Okay,
So
what do I
we're
do?
gonna put the wig cap on you. So
Okay.
you make like two little horns right here
With this?
with your thumbs. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Like this right there.
Got it.
And you're gonna hold him down.
Okay.
Yes,
Doing
yes,
it, doing
yes.
it, doing it. No, just shove it in
Just
there.
shove it in your area like a shower cap. And then this, look at this beautiful Kandee wig.
I love this wig. This looks exactly like her. This is
Look
so
at all the Kandee.
cute. I absolutely love this. And her hair tie.
The licorice rope hair tie.
This is like just from the movie.
There's so much hot glue holding it in place. So I glued little styrofoam little dots from Michael's, and then these are actual real Kandees.
Do I stay here?
You stay there. I'm gonna put this on the front. I'm gonna have you hold down the front though.
Okay, I'm
You
not
hold that,
moving. I'm holding
and then
still.
I'm gonna pull this part down.
Okay.
Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We need to go to a costume competition right now, and we would win. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
I'm so right. I'm
the
so
final
right.
Vanellope Von Schweetz.
Do I turn?
Yes. Turn.
Okay, okay. I'm
And
sure.
are you ready to see it yourself?
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
You ready?
Oh!
Look at how cute you look!
I love this. This is adorable. Look at this little
You look
pony.
enchanting.
Ding ding. And she kind of has that little smirky smile.
She totally has a smirky
which is my
smile.
favorite.
Yeah, it's like, hey, I'm sassy.
Hey.
And I'm smiling.
Hey. I love this look. Like, don't get me wrong. This is my look. This is me. This is like the new
It's
me.
adorable and so cute. You look so cute, Ro.
Thank you so much, Kandee. I absolutely love this. I have always wanted to be transformed into Vanellope Von Schweetz.
You guys have to go, make sure you go over to her channel and watch the video and watch me feel like I'm almost dying in it. I'm gonna put links, go subscribe to her, follow Ro everywhere because she literally is. If there was an award for nicest person on YouTube, you would totally win it.
That is so sweet.
Every year,
that's what I feel like about you. You just glow. Like you have this you're a glow bug. Like you.
I love the glow bug. She's so cute.
So embarrassed.
So make sure you follow her. Go check out our videos. And I normally say huge hugs from my hugs to yours. We can just say huge hugs from Ro's house to yours.
Yeah.
We will see you guys in the next video on my channel. And then the next video, go watch the one on her channel. It's very entertaining, even though I was traumatized.
It was a lot of fun.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.